In this video, we'll talk about sender profiles under Send Management in the Marketing Cloud Admin tab. So what is a sender profile anyway? A sender profile contains the name and the email address that appears whenever a subscriber opens an email. A sender profile contains the name and the email address that a subscriber sees when they receive and open an email from you. So when you create a sender profile, you create it one time and you can reuse that every single time you send an email. All you need to do is click the sender profile that you've created and choose that whenever you're about to send an email message. So let's see how to set up a sender profile. First thing you'll want to do is name the sender profile, give it an external key, which you don't have to fill out. This will automatically populate when you click save. Give it a description, which is optional as well, and then we'll fill out the sender information. So we can choose from a list of senders, or we can use the specified information that we choose here. So we can choose the from name, which you can put as your name here. You can choose the from email, which you can use as your email, and then you'll need to verify that email. And then you'll need to choose your custom reply mail management settings. And you can use this rule collection. And if you remember when we talked about different collections under account settings, under reply mail management, and the collections video that we created, we see that we can choose a collection that we created. If no stop action is triggered, then forward the reply to a name here and the email address here. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to put a name here and you'll want to put an email address that the forward will go to. You can use a triggered send with the enterprise reply mail management or another triggered send that you create. You can automatically reply using a triggered send that you create by clicking this checkbox here. And when you're done with that, you'll click save and your sender profile will be created. And that's how you create a sender profile in Marketing Cloud. Pretty easy, right? In the next video, we'll talk about delivery profiles. I'll see you there.